Hello my friends. Today I'm going to be doing another Dutch pour with the leftover paints from the previous video, and that was on a white background, and I had plenty of paint left over, so I thought I'd give it a try on a black background. So I mixed up some black. It wasn't quite enough, so I added a little bit of white I had left, and so it's more of a charcoal gray, black, and I'm hoping that these paints will show up sufficiently on there, but we'll see. I think if they do, it could be quite dramatic. So let's do it. Let's see how to do it this time. I don't want to do it the same way I did last time. Maybe I'll do a kind of a crisscross thing. Or, yeah, maybe I'll just do the kind of traditional diagonal thing, and then I'll have a little paint left over. And I might try the cup thing again with this same consistency. It's about, I think it's about right. And I hate that you can see my reflection, probably, on that black background with my COVID hairdo. But that's the way it is. Let's see. Oh, you know, I meant to put the gold down in between there. This is so beautiful gold, but I don't want it on top of everything. So I'll go back to this first blue. What else? The magenta really seems to take over. Gosh, I have plenty of paint left. I should have. But I'll just do something else with it. So, okay, time for the hair dryer. Well, it's pretty, but I can't live with that. It's too, yeah, I should have done more of this thing, but I got to change that up. What to do? I'm tempted to try the chain thing again. To do. I said magenta was going to take over, and it really didn't. So I think I'll crisscross and blow it out some more. Okay, this time I will try that. Kind of liking that. I'm going to add a little maybe kind of a puddly thing up here. And maybe I will use it up here. Okay. Huh. I don't love it. I like the drama. I think that's pretty good, but the composition is not really working for me. So I'm going to go back with the beads here. Especially that corner. I don't like that at all. But I'll start over here where I can easily reach. I think that pink could do something pretty special. I'm going to do more on this one than I did on the previous one. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Now, over here. I don't like that one too much. I like the big roundness of this. What can I do? Do I dare go over it? Yes, I do. I don't love that, but it's better than it was, I think. And now, over here. Kind of trying to wipe off the excess on the beads. Oops. Okay, well, I think that helped. I think I like it. I'll hit it with a torch. Yeah, it's not doing too much. Mostly just popping air bubbles, but I'm fine with the look. Huh. How does it look from over on your side? Let me take a peek. I'll bring you in to look a little closer. I probably like that area up there the best, that corner. And that's kind of nice. I rather like it. Okay, well, that might be my new go-to. Pulling with a chain rather than ballooning, something that was the go-to for a while, but I kind of like this look better. Okay, I think I'll stop, and looking forward to seeing this dry and see if the color is maintained, and I'll show you in a future video. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye now.